Walmart pickup orders lock your store choice the moment you hit checkout, and most people don't realize the only way to change it is before the order is fully confirmed or by canceling and rebuilding the order. By the end of this, you'll know exactly when you can change your Walmart pickup location, when you can't, and the fastest way to fix it without losing time or money. First thing to understand is how Walmart pickup works. The store you select is tied to inventory and fulfillment. Once the order is processed, that store is responsible for picking your items. That's why there's no simple switch store button after checkout. If your order is still in the cart stage, changing the pickup store is easy. Go back to your cart in the Walmart app or website and look at the pickup section near the top of the checkout page. Tap the store name, and you'll be able to select a different nearby store before placing the order. This is the only clean way to switch without starting over. If you already placed the order, check your order status immediately. If it still says preparing or processing, you may still have a short window to cancel. Open your order details, select cancel, and then rebuild the order with the correct store selected at checkout. Timing matters here because once picking starts, cancellation may no longer be available. If the order has moved to ready for pickup, you cannot change the store at all. At that point, the only option is to pick it up at the selected location or cancel and place a new order. Walmart does not transfer pickup orders between stores because inventory is already allocated. Another option some users miss is checking for substitution flexibility. If your issue is availability at a specific store, switching stores may not always solve it if stock levels are low across locations. In that case, adjusting items in the cart before reordering often works better than just changing locations. App glitches can also make it look like the store is locked when it isn't. If you don't see the option to change stores in the cart, try logging out and back in or switching from the app to a browser. This refreshes the checkout session and usually restores the store selector. To summarize, you can change Walmart pickup stores only before checkout or by canceling early in processing. After the order is being prepared, the store is locked and cannot be moved. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple Walmart fixes that save you time and frustration.